This is a brand new 2012 Ford Fiesta. This compact has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a premium sound system, an independent rear suspension, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Mac Haik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 515 North Interstate 35 East in DeSoto.